This is the trade review for Tuesday, the 16th of January, 2024. I was looking at Nvidia today and it was set up very nicely for an outside day. The central pivots were very tight, but you can see it better here. The pivots were very tight and we were pushing strongly on the daily past R6. R6 should be around here. But anyways, this is R6 on the monthly, and so I figured we were gonna go and test it out. The fact that the pivots were very tight meant that we were gonna have a breakout, and so my goal was to we were opening inside yesterday's value as well. We were very close to open inside value, but we kind of rejected just before the open, and so I was waiting for a test of the previous day's range and also rejection of R3, and that's exactly what happened. I didn't pull the trigger as we were testing to the bottom because the spread was pretty nasty. It was 50 cent, so I had to adjust my size a little bit in retrospect in order to act quickly, and I missed out on it. And I knew it was going to be the perfect opportunity. I had it planned. This was this is what I was expecting to happen: a reaction of R3 or even the gray area. It could have dropped even more, and then go to the top side. So again, disappointed in missing out on that trade. But more than that, I'm disappointed in the fact that I tried to force a reversal. The open was an open test drive, and the initial market. The market structure looked like it was going to be a little bit of of a normal day with the 5 minutes with such a big run, and in the 15 minute, I don't know why I went and looked in the 15 minute. It might have provided some more validity, but in the 5 minutes we were still breaking that initial balance, so it wasn't wide enough. So I should have avoided it, and I should have pulled the trigger on this reversal if I was really confident about it. But I didn't. I missed out on it, and I tried to make an entry engulfing the 5 minute, but that's not my setup. That's not what I do. I have to enter at the top of the range if I'm going short, or at the bottom of the range if I'm going long, and I didn't do that. I was hoping, really wishful thinking, so this was a bad trade. And then I attempted it one more time. I felt that we were just gonna sell off, but this was not the place to do it. So this was a bad trade, and I added it to make it worse. And I finally got out here, and I realized that we were actually creating like facing a little bit of resistance with this week, and I made a good entry, and it actually got up to 3R, but I didn't partial because I was being very, very greedy. So this was a good trade actually, and it offered an opportunity to get 3R, but because I wanted to get allowed to recoup these losses, it was a bad trade. And I just ended up getting stopped out there, and I took another trade here just to practice to see. I was really wishing for that reversal, but this is not a valid trade at all. Not good trading today. But I did stop my serious trading here. This was just practice, trying to see where the reversal would come. But these three trades were bad, were horrible. First two actually. This one was a bit more common sense, and I should have taken partial, so got an allowed at 3R, but I didn't. So uh, I'm not liking that I broke my rules today. So I didn't respect my rules. Physically, eight. What's going on here? 8, emotionally 5, I could already say 7. I was able to identify the play for today, but my behavior was not good at all. My routine, yes. Actually, I didn't do that. I didn't go over my playbook. Excellent. Uh, Pre-market analysis. There's two the type of day and where else? What else? Try to look for options. Those are the only three things I can rescue from this. And we did not hit gold today. That was bad trading. One trade was good, but I had bad trade management. I'm gonna go with 0 to 3 trades, 0 and 3. I'll calculate how much this was, but not good trades. These were what R6 reversals, and after the breakout, these are F trades, but they were not good trades. Anyways, not much to do. Let's see here. That's it for my trading review. I'm being disappointed with my execution, my discipline. Once I missed out on this entry, I had to. I think it's difficult to make this entry, but still doable. But even then, I need to look for that entry long on a reaction over resistance to continue up, because this was another entry at the bottom of this range, or even at the breakout of here with this signal for a continuation, because this is a trend day and I cannot play reversals on a trend day, or it's very difficult to do. It has to be on a clear signal such as this, and I need to follow that. I don't need. I need to stop making up excuses to just force an entry. Well, that's it for me.